Hi, everyone. This is Amani Ragab Hacking, immigration attorney operating out of our offices in St. Louis, Missouri, also in Washington, D.C., and San Diego, California. Today, I'm going to answer a question by one of our callers or one of our potential clients. And the question is, will my I-130 be affected if I upload unsolicited evidence while it is being processed? So to that, I say it's really important to keep things simple when you're talking about immigration and USCIS. Don't confuse them with additional potential information or documents that come later. Really, you only have one shot to get this case done right. So when you send that initial filing and the initial petition and evidence, you want to make sure you have everything you need in there. If you send something later, often it will not make it to the file. It could end up in somebody else's file. It could be really confusing because you don't know if it's going to the service center or the field office. There are lots of different things. We don't want to cause confusion. So don't send things to the office or to the officer that they didn't ask for or that aren't required. That's really important. What is required? You have to read the form instructions, talk to your attorney, make sure that what you have in the file is what is needed for them to make a decision on your case. Really, the best time to add additional evidence, if needed, is at the interview itself. So when you go to the interview, talk to your lawyer, look at the evidence that you have. Often you have to supplement because of time or circumstances. Maybe you had a child, maybe you got a divorce, whatever, maybe you got married. All those things would need to be supplemented at that time. But in the end, pay attention at the interview, pay attention to the officer, and most importantly, pay attention to the documents that you're submitting the first time, because that is really what they're going to focus on. Anything that you send later, probably not going to get looked at, and even if it does, it could cause confusion. So keep it simple and make sure that you don't confuse USCIS.